In today's video, I'm going to show you how to print your designs in Canva, step by step. This method is simple and works for anyone using Canva. Let's get started. First, open any web browser you like. You can use Google Chrome or any other browser. In the search bar, type Canva and open the Canva website. Once Canva opens, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up first and then log in. After logging in, go to the left side and click on Create a Design. From here, you can search for anything you want to create. For example, I'll search for invoice portrait. Click on it and Canva will open a blank page. Next, go to Design or Templates and choose a pre-built template. As you can see, the template is already designed and you can edit it however you want. Once your design is ready, it's time to print it. Now click on Share in the top right corner. You'll see an option to print directly, but we won't use that method. Instead, we'll first download the file as a PDF. Click on Download, then choose the file type. You'll see two options, PDF Standard and PDF Print. I recommend selecting PDF Print because it gives the best quality for printing. After that, click Download. Once the file is downloaded, open the PDF. Then go to the bottom right corner and click Print. From here, you can select your printer, choose how many pages you want to print, and decide whether you want color or black and white. You can also select the paper size, such as A4, and adjust the scale. For now, keeping the scale at 100% is fine. After setting everything, click Print, choose where you want to save or print the file, and your document will be printed successfully. By the way, if you are curious how complete beginners are earning thousands of dollars per month from their phone without quitting their job, I recently came across a unique side hustle most people still don't know about. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. Most people think business requires a huge loan or mortgaging your house. But with the power of your smartphone and the internet, all you need is 4 to 5 hours per week following a proven system, and you can truly make life-changing income. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires consistency. But if you're willing to stick with it for 6 to 12 months, it could completely change your life. If you want to see exactly how this works step by step, start by watching the free video linked in the description.